students, welcome to Grace College of Engineering. In this video, I am going to discuss about first year second sem Engineering Practices Lab experiment number 4 soldering practice using general purpose PCB. Aim to practice soldering and desoldering for the electronic circuit by assembling and disassembling the resistor R1 and R2 and capacitor C1 in the given PCB that is printed circuit board. So soldering means nothing but it is a joining process used to join the different types of metals together by melting solder. So basically we are joining the process is done by using wire, but here we are without any wire, we are joining with the help of melting solder. Apparatus required: PCB board, soldering iron, solder, flux, resistor, capacitor. So these are the apparatus required we need. Soldering iron. So soldering iron is nothing but it is a tool used to heat a solder, usually from an electrical supply at high temperatures above the melting point of the metal alloy. This allows for the solder to flow between the work pieces needing to be joined. Solder gun. So what are the parts inside the gun? So at the tip it looks like a needle. So it is a heating element. So when the switch is on, supply switch is on, at the end of that is the tip is only get heated by a heating element. So next to the needle there is somewhat bulky, that is a terminal board. After that there is that is red part is a handle. After that yellow part is a handle cover. So this is a soldering gun. Next procedure. First of all, we have to clean the PCB as well as soldering iron and also the resistor, capacitor, what and all the components we using, that you have to clean. Next part, the soldering iron is heated and the solder is applied to the tip of it. So the resistor led are bent to fit the hole on the board and they are inserted in the holes of the board as per the circuit diagram. So the hot tip is applied to the joints and the solder is applied. The soldering tip is removed and the resistor is held tightly till the solder is cooled and set. The excess component lead is trimmed with the side cutter. So these are the procedure for soldering. Next, desoldering. The tip of the soldering iron is placed on the resistor board joint until the solder is melted. When the solder is melted, the resistor is removed with the tweezer and the molten solder is removed. So these are the above steps for the desoldering. So how we are soldering means, as I am saying, that we have to clean. First step, we have to clean the board, that is a circuit board or any other PCB board. Have to clean it, the board and the soldering iron as well as the components which are using. Here I am using the lead, so we have to clean everything. Next we have to, now soldering iron is heated. How we are heating means by switch on the supply, and then after the soldering iron is get heated, then apply the solder at the tip of it. Okay, the lead are bent to fit the hole on the board and then they are inserted in the hole of the board. Next only we have to insert inside the hole of the board. So to join, apply the hot solder at the tip of the lead. Next, the soldering tip is removed and the lead is held tightly till the solder is cold and set. So after completing the procedure, the excess components of the lead is trimmed with the cutter. So this is the way we are soldering. So output of the soldering. So this is the back of the PCB board, that is under you can see the resistor and lead and all. So this is the back side of the soldering and this is the output without a wire and result. Thus the soldering and desoldering practice is done for the given electronic circuit. Thank you students.